Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Seth Roskoff, owner and operator of Power Washing LLC. Before today's video, I just wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody who's subscribed. First 50 subscribers have a chance to win a $25 gift card to Home Depot. So if you are not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. All of my information for my business can be found in the description of this video, such as my contact information and as well as my Facebook page, which is my main avenue of where I post information, videos, before and after pictures. Enjoy today's video. Thanks for watching.